Good morning, Facebook. On my way to my principalship class this morning, so decided I'll go Facebook Live to discuss some things, and my voice is a little in and out. Good morning. Just doing a lot of talking these days, so voice is a little scrappy, a little sore. Good morning. Wait till my connection gets stronger. Because I'm leaving my house, so I have some weak spots sometimes. So I'm gonna make sure my connection is strong. All right, it said connection available, so I want to make sure. So we're going to talk about the old rules versus the new rules of money, right? The old rules versus the new rules of money. Let's talk about that. I've been helping a lot of teenpreneurs, young adults, at an early age, understand credit education and how your credit score can work against you or work for you, and teaching them financial literacy, right? Teaching them financial literacy. And so in doing so, a lot of information that they have is go to college, right? And we know that college student loan debt is $1.5 trillion right now. Go to college, get a good education, and get a good job. And a decade ago, that would have been great advice, right? Because the jobs were plentiful. You had those six-figure paying jobs. But now, especially with Donald Trump changing the immigration laws. Good morning. I'm on my way to my administrative class. So you can see it in my eyes. Sleepy. I'm always on the grind. I'm not really sleepy. I'm just waking up. But I had this on my mind. And so I need to find my shades. With the new immigration laws that Donald Trump is enforcing, even the real estate market is taking a dip, right? Because a lot of our immigrants were very skilled in renovating homes or building homes, right? And so good morning. And so there are new rules of money in 2018 that a lot of people don't understand, because you look at the businesses that have gone out of businesses just in 2018 alone. From Sears to Kmart, Toys R Us closing, all of these businesses. Lori, I have on my Women Who Win t-shirt too. They have shut down. Walgreens closed 500 stores this year, and Lowe's is scheduled to close. I think Lowe's is saying they're closing 50 stores, right? And of course, Lowe's is getting an impact of the real estate market going down because of the immigration laws that President Trump has enforced. And so the old advice or old adage, go to school, get a college education, especially if you can't afford to pay for that education, it's slowly revamped. So what I'm doing is teaching not only just our young adults, but older. Excuse me, I have my charge in my phone, so it's not cropping correctly. But teaching older adults alike that you have to understand is not only not difficult to start a business, right? Because you don't want to do a brick and mortar business. I have these preteens, these young adults who are making more money than Harvard graduates, right? By understanding digital business and social media and how to use that platform to make money. And all they have to have is a $47 investment. And then it teaches them business strategies, and that's one time. It teaches them business strategy. It teaches them how to market on social media. And it also, above all, teaches them financial literacy. And it teaches them credit, right? Because I tell people all the time, why would you not get your credit repaired and rebuilt when you're paying higher interest loans for the things that you have financed now if you have bad credit, right? So if you have bad credit, you're paying the highest interest rates. You're paying high interest loans. So why wouldn't you get that refinanced? Why would you have high interest rates, not get your credit rebuilt and restored and repaired, and continue to have your paycheck being eaten up by high interest rate or by bad debt, right? Because I believe there's such things as good debt and bad debt. So learn how to flip your credit and start using the bank's money to make money. And what I mean by that is you can get your credit score at such a high rate, and you can start refinancing some things, refinance, rebuild, restore, remove derogatory negative items. And now you can get the bank's money to start investing, let's say real estate property, to make you money. Now that might be too advanced thinking for some people. Some people just thinking, hey, I need to get out of bad debt because I have high interest rates on some things, or I have insufficient fund fees on some things. I have late payments, and I need. Let me just take this charger out, and I need excuse me. Let me just take this out. I need my cash flow, right? Flip that credit. And also, Sean, I'm gonna teach people how to flip their cash, flip their paycheck, right? Or to power their paycheck. How to power that paycheck. So you flip your credit and you power your paycheck, because now you get more money out of your paycheck that you bring it home, your take home pay. And I'm telling you, people are so accustomed to things that were so much in the 90s that they haven't adjusted to this new millennium in 2018, because no longer can you afford not to be getting an extra $200 or more out of your paycheck to pay down bad debts. No longer can you afford just to pay bills and not get business tax deductions out of that. It's a $47 digital financial education and credit education program, right? And no longer can you afford to not get approved for signature loans. And I have this in my cash flow conferences of why most southern states, Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Georgia, have low credit scores, is because they get these payday loans or they get these predatory loans because they have low interest rate. And low credit score. And they don't understand the strategies that's in place. With these Donald Trumps, you all need to keep up new tax laws. These tax laws have not been changed since 1986. Okay? President Donald Trump changed these tax laws. And people don't understand how that's working in their advantage and how they have money that's just losing out of their paycheck because they haven't taken the time to understand this, because they think that something that's fast, cheap, and easy has to be a scam, right? But what's a scam is you not taking the time to learn these strategies. And let me tell you something, these strategies only work if you have this home-based business. And why not have a home-based business that's teaching you financial literacy, cash flow strategies, and credit education? Now, I removed derogatory items, but this business also, this digital business also teaches you, it gives you 4 rounds of not dispute letters, not template letters, but affidavit letters, right? For $47. Miss Ransom, I'm going to go ahead and I'm at Chick-fil-A now. getting my breakfast before I get to class. Let me show you all this. The book I had to read. I'm always thinking about leadership. Smart leaders, smart readers. I'm on my way. Because, you know, I want to get a school one day that's teaching financial leadership, financial literacy. And let me see if Chick-fil-A gonna be able to get me through. I should have ordered on my app, but I'm on YouTube, so I'm gonna get off YouTube so I can make my order on my app, get my rewards back at Chick-fil-A. You know, you get, and another thing about this digital business too, you have a cashback mall, and if you travel, you can book your travel through them, and you get cashback rewards, just like I'm about to do at Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna order this through my app so I can get my rewards cashback back. But anyway, back into the subject. And so my dream is to open an athletic and academic program for youth. So that's why I'm going to this school principalship program to teach me leadership and to get certified to be a principals in the public school. But I want to have my own business and academy, and that's the long-term goal. So excuse my bun. I went to a bun. But listen, so Miss Ransom, I put her on the Credit Secrets book. I don't even know if I had a book in here. I have so many books. But I put her on the Credit Secrets book, and I saw she's in a private Facebook group for Credit Secrets that she got, Miss Ransom, 3 collections removed this week. And I think it boosts your credit score by 30 plus points or higher. Latanya, this on Ransom, she's originally from Mississippi. Now she's in Las Vegas. Because a lot of people ask me all the time, why do I recommend the Credit Secrets book, right? And this digital business. It's less than $100 investment. And that's why, because when you combine those two, there are some things you can do to fix your bad credit yourself. I think the Credit Secrets book package like $39. The website is www.thecreditsecretsbook.com. And then the digital business that I'm talking about, that teaching you cash flow strategies, is $47, right? One time sign up, $47. You turn your W-4 after we educate you how to make that adjustment, and Monday morning, your next pay period, you get more cash flow. These are some of my cash money teams. That's why I believe in using credit to make money. And as a result of the Credit Secrets book, this is the highest credit card I've ever got approved from Navy Federal, right? It's a $25,000 credit line that I'm looking to use to purchase real estate property to get me even more cash flow. I'm not going to go on a shopping spree or get new shoes with that. So that's why I recommend the Credit Secrets book and its digital business to help you with your credit and your cash flow. And then if you have some advanced credit repair that you need done ASAP, need done immediately. What I mean by advanced is updating your personal information. You need one name, one address reporting. I've seen people with over 30 addresses, and I'm not and 10 different names reporting. So if you need that done, if you need your bankruptcy removed, if you need, I've got $8,751. Yes, Miss Rat, 32 points, booze. Hi, I got my shirt on for you. Women who win. Women who win. What's on this shirt? You're beautiful, you're wealthy, you're wise, beautifully, wonderfully made. So yes, I love those testimonies. $8,751 collection removed. That's what I mean by advanced. And now that same client is a $13,000 collection that I got removed. And so bankruptcies, late pays, inquiries. You know, these are things that are advanced things that you will need to hire me as a coach to get off. But things like Miss Ransom did by taking action, ordering the book, and she's also a part of the digital businesses. Miss Ransom increased her take-home pay, her and her husband's, more take-home pay. They get less tax out of their paycheck, and they get more taxes as a part of their home-based business. She purchased a book package for $39, got collections off, got a 36-point increase, and that's credit and cash flow strategies, and that's how you win. Let me use my app. And also in this business, that's what you do. You use your app. You use your app to keep up with all your business tax deductions. So let me use my app now, and you get cashback rewards to order my Chick-fil-A, so I can get my Chick-fil-A cards. What about us in Africa? Mr. Agar, how do you want me to help Africa? I could come to Africa and do a credit and cash flow conference. Would you be interested in that? If you have ways to connect with that, we could do a credit and cash flow conference. But the credit repair process, as far as the book goes in Africa, is different than the United States. But hey, I love to come there and do a credit and cash flow conference. Me and my business partner, Mr. Kevin Young. So let me sign off. I'm getting text messages now about people want to pay for credit repair. I'll go along. Yay, Lori! Come on! I got your t-shirt waiting for you. And listen, Lori, let's try to do something in Louisiana. Do you know anyone or any group of people in Louisiana that might want to bring a credit and cash flow conference? Hey, all of it is tax write-off for me and Kevin, so we love going to other cities and states and presenting. So let me know. Hey, happy Saturday to you. Also, we're doing a webinar tomorrow, Success Sunday, 8:00 p.m. Central Standard Time. So let me get my cashback rewards from making my order on my phone. You get cash. Oh, if you want to join the business, send me an email. Digital business, you want to high power your paycheck, get more money, take home pay. Send me an email at ld@fixmycreditandcash.com. That's ld@fixmycreditandcash.com. Just put in the subject more money, right? Just put more money, and I know you're talking about how to get more money and power your paycheck. I'm signing off. This is Coach Deloach. Have a great Saturday.